to my channel. I'm Dawn with Candy Cane Ridge. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the bat's wing block. Now I know it's getting close to Halloween, so I chose the bat's wing, but I also wanted it to have some fallish charm to it. So here we have sunflowers and a black bat's wing. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to make it. We've got everything laid out. I'm going to take my 4.5 inch squares and I'm going to go ahead and draw a line from corner to corner on all 4 of them. Now beforehand, I starched my fabric before I even went to cut it. I like to starch my fabric. I think it just cuts better and I think it stitches better. But if you're not a starcher, that is perfectly fine. So using our 4.5 inch squares, we're actually gonna make 2 flying geese. So I'm gonna take these to the sewing machine and we're going to line this one up and I'm gonna stitch from this corner all the way down my line. I'm gonna fold this up and I'm gonna take my other one, make sure it's matching, and I'm gonna stitch from this corner all the way down on both of these. And then we're gonna take, while I'm over there, we're going to take both of our strips and our center. I'm gonna stitch and fold this one over right sides together. I'm gonna stitch down, fold it open, take my next one, stitch down, and we're gonna have our strip. So when you're making your flying geese, you're gonna stitch 1 square on and you're gonna stitch on that line or just to the side of that. And then you're gonna come back and you're gonna trim off, leaving your 1/4 inch seam. So I'm using my 1/4 inch mark on my ruler and I'm lining that up on my stitch line. And you're gonna trim all this off. Save this because it makes cute half square triangles. And then we're gonna take and we're gonna press this it towards the dark side. Now that that's all pressed, we're gonna take our other square, lay it on top. We're gonna make sure everything is matched up and then we're gonna stitch on this line. And that's gonna give us our flying geese. So once we've stitched, just like we did on this side, we're gonna line this up. I'm using my 1/4 inch mark on my stitch line, trimming that off. And then I'm going to press. And there we have our flying geese. We're gonna do the exact same thing to both sides. And then we're going to take our center strip that we stitched together and I just pressed those seams towards the center. And then we're going to stitch right sides together. I'm going to stitch down. You line that up better. I'm going to stitch all the way down. I'm going to open that up, stitch this all the way down. Now, in order to make sure that you don't lose your point, make sure as you're stitching, you actually cross right where both of your stitch lines meet, and you don't actually come inside of your point. So here we have our bat's wing quilt block. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.